Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Saya Muhammad Aziz Ahmed. Saya dan guru saya akan membentangkan tajuk Standardization Impedes Innovation. Okay, untuk introduction, standardization and innovation is major source growth in economic. Efficient and effective use of standardization can increase innovation market. This standardization is a stage used by research and others in the innovation process. Standardization are important fundamental in framework in R&D stage. Okay, untuk standardization is process of developing and implementing technical standard. The process establish common agreement of engineering term, principle, process, and practice. Standard provide recommended process to apply an organization, expert test, and outcome, and how to process the task integrate to the provide requirement, output, and input. Okay, for innovation, the improvement of existing of the creation entire new product. The transformation of existing condition into prefer one, and the creating of a new value of the world. So untuk objektif pula, kita dapat benda yang kita dapat belajar ialah to learn more in detail the standardization and innovation, and to learn about the standardization yang akan mempengaruhi kita punya innovation.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. Saya Muhammad Faiz bin Azhari. I group member from group 3. Okay, tonight I explain about scope of standardization impedance of innovation. Okay, the scope of the study is to understand the correlation between standardization and innovation. Okay, second point, how standardization limit the innovation scope in terms of design, parts, component, and others. Okay, next I explain about literature review. Okay, literature review of research and standardization. Research and development, R&D, is the focus of most innovation policies around the world in 2020. Only the successful innovation product and process leads to commercial success and economic impact of R&D results. Standardization acts as an instrument of these technologies transfer that are recognized as they. Okay, look at the organization chart. You can look at standardization, standard coordination, implementation, research, patent publication, and knowledge. What we call that like to logic system. Next, literature review, intellectual property right, IPR, for short form intellectual property right, and standardization. In research, intellectual property right is increasingly protected, especially patents driven by policies and strategy motivation to patent. Despite challenge, integration of IPR, which is possible during the overlapping phase patent application and standardization. In general, this given benefit for both owner and for those interested implement the standards. Okay, thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Saya Muhammad Faisal bin Abdul Halim selaku ahli kumpulan nombor 3 untuk tajuk kumpulan kami iaitu Standardization Impedes Innovation. Okey, slide seterusnya saya akan menerangkan iaitu literature review iaitu tajuknya Public Demand and Standardization. Public demand ni adalah permintaan daripada pihak awam lah. Jadi standardization help to create critical mass and allow to start the exploitation of economies of scale in the formative stages of a market in order to reduce information asymmetries and to promote trust in innovative product. Standard can be used like regulation to set minimum requirement for health and safety environment. Okay, next. Berikut adalah metodologi. Metodologi ni kita akan terangkan sikit berkenaan dengan standardization is more likely to enable any business to have effective product and process development by using from the embedded technical knowledge. In a simple term, the thing way innovation is out of the box, while thinking way in innovation is inside the box. Ini contoh yang sangat baik iaitu kita haruslah berfikir di luar kotak untuk mewujudkan satu inovasi yang baik. Okay, slide seterusnya adalah methodology, type of standard and their effect in innovation. Terdiri daripada 3 kriteria and 1 compatibility and interoperability. Second, minimum quality and safety. Third, variety reduction. Terbahagi kepada 2 iaitu positive effect on innovation and negative effect in innovation. Positive effect in innovation is compatibility, is a network internalities, avoiding lock in all technologies, increasing variety of system product and efficiency in supply chain. And negative effect on innovation is compatibility, is monopoly power, lock in all technologies, in case a strong network internalities. Second, minimum quality and safety. Positive effect on innovation is avoiding adverse selection, creating trust, reducing transaction costs, and negative effect of innovation is rising rival costs. Third type of standard of their effect on innovation is variety reduction. Positive effect on innovation is economies of scale on supply, critical mass in emerging technologies and industry. But negative effect on innovation is reducing choice, market concentration, premature selection of technology. And the information of positive effect of innovation is providing codified knowledge.
Assalamualaikum Dr. My part is for case study. How does standard effect evaluation of ideas and innovation? For QWERTY keyboard avoid jams in typewriter while typing fast by placing unrelated letters together and slowing down typing. Speed slower the typing rate, less frequent is the jam. Dvorak keyboard, 20% faster typing speed, movement of hands reduced to 1/16. Despite the advantages, 99.9% keyboards are QWERTY based. QWERTY's de facto standard for 20 years. hindered innovation for the society, even if it improved performance. Discussion, the effect on standardization towards innovation has unleashed a few perceptions. In general, standardization limits the innovation process. The role of standard to promote innovation via public procurement that are basically theoretical perspective. The last is conclusion. As conclusion, standardization is significantly impeding innovation process. Some innovation cannot continue to make due to the standardization procedure. However, standardization is a good practice and reference in innovation process making. I think that's all, Doctor. Thank you.